AI is not just software anymore. The next race is physical. It is chips, land, power, cooling, cables, permits, and data centers. For years, people talked about AI like it was an app. You open a chatbot, type a prompt, and magic appears on the screen. But behind that answer is a supply chain. Every image, every video, every search result, every agent that writes code, calls tools, analyzes data, or makes a plan has to run somewhere. That somewhere is becoming one of the most important battlegrounds in the world. The new oil is compute. If you have enough compute, you can train bigger models, serve more users, build faster products, and lower the cost of intelligence. If you do not have compute, you are renting the future from someone else. And the bottleneck is no longer just code. It is GPUs. It is memory. It is transformers. It is grid capacity. It is cooling. It is water. It is construction speed. The International Energy Agency projects that global electricity use from data centers could roughly double by 2030, reaching around 950 terawatt-hours. That number sounds abstract, until it hits a local grid. A data center can be a small percentage of global electricity demand and still become a huge issue for one city, one region, or one utility bill. This is why AI infrastructure is starting to look less like software and more like industrial policy. The IEA says global investment in data centers nearly doubled since 2022, reaching about $500 billion in 2024. And this is still early, because training a model is only the beginning. McKinsey expects inference to become the dominant AI data center workload by 2030. That means the real cost starts after launch, when millions of people ask the model to think, generate, summarize, search, translate, plan, and act every day. This changes the map. Advanced chips become strategic power. Data centers become national infrastructure. Energy contracts become AI strategy. Latency becomes product design. And sovereign AI becomes a real question. Where does the model run? Where does the data live? And who controls the infrastructure? For businesses, this matters because AI will not stay as a simple subscription tool. The winners will think like infrastructure operators. They will understand cost per task, latency, reliability, automation, and compute supply. For creators, this matters too. Video generation, voice, personalization, AI search, and agent workflows all depend on the same invisible compute layer. The danger is mistaking magic for free. AI feels weightless on a laptop, but behind the screen are factories, chips, power lines, cooling systems, and billions of dollars in capital. The opportunity is bigger than models. The next decade will need model builders, energy builders, data center builders, chip builders, workflow builders, and AI native operators. So when you watch the AI race, do not only watch the apps, watch the compute. Because AI is not just an app category, it is becoming a new industrial layer, and the people who understand that layer early will see the world differently.